Hi everyone, this is Andreas from Bytesafe. Today we're going to look at the freeze policy and how you can use it to lock dependencies to what's available in a registry. This enables use cases like testing and building with the exact same versions that you used for development and getting consistent results across environments. Let's get into it. To demonstrate, I've prepared an example package with 3 dependencies and a Bytesafe registry with the same versions that were specified in the package JSON. We can check available versions in upstreams directly from Bytesafe. So in this instance for chart.js, we can tell that there are a version 3.3.2 available in the public npm JS registry. So let's imagine that I've done months of development using chart.js 3.0. Then I would want QA teams or build systems to use the same versions as I did, right? This is exactly what you can do with Freeze. We go to the Plugins tab and enable Freeze for the registry. This will make it read-only. We then want to install our dependencies in our project. Bytesafe provides us with the details needed, so we just copy and run. This will install our dependencies. If we check our package log file, we can tell that chart.js was installed with version 3.0 as intended. And switching back to Bytesafe, we can tell that no new versions were added. To demonstrate what would happen if we did not use the Freeze plugin, let's disable it and redo our installation. To do that, we need to delete our package log file. And we also need to delete our node modules. And after that, we can rerun our installation. We once again check our package log file. We can tell that this time chart.js was installed with version 3.3.2 instead. And if we switch back to Bytesafe and check our packages, we can tell that chart.js has been added to the registry with version 3.3.2. So to recap, with Freeze, we were able to lock dependencies and create a deterministic environment where other team members were able to get the exact same versions that I intended and tested. That's everything for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Bytesafe content.